Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. Today we're actually going to go over, this video is going to go over color changes, how to do a color change, and all the suppliers that are out there that can help you with doing the color changes, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you like a Dyan-purge video, and then I'm going to show you an Asaclean, which that sounds like cliche, but I'm going to show you that video of both those suppliers and how they do it, and it's kind of showing you their material, trying to sell you their material, which there's all kinds of different ones out there. Like I said, you have Asaclean, Dyan-purge, ID additives, you have UCClean. I mean, there's tons of different ones. Some people just use acrylic. Some people go in and they'll change a bunch of different other things. Like I've even seen people take like detergent, like what you'd put in your wash machine, like the powder detergent, and pour that down in there just to scrape the barrel and clean it. I've seen people use acrylic. I've seen people use styrene, a lot of that stuff. But some of that stuff you can't run through your mold. You can't run through your hot runner system. So some of this stuff nowadays you can run it right through your hot runner system, and it does not hurt the hot runner system. So follow along, watch these two small videos, and then I'll get with you after this video.
Before performing any purging procedure, it is the machine operator's responsibility to be aware of their company's safety policy, to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, and to make sure that only authorized personnel are in the area. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Procedure for barrel and screw. Maintain temperature and RPM settings for resident resin. Retract machine carriage from mold, leaving ample room for purge to exit nozzle. Disconnect or shut off auxiliary feeding equipment and thoroughly clean the hopper. Empty barrel and starve the screw of the resident resin. Introduce Dyan-purge, 1 to 2 times barrel capacity, into empty hopper or side port. Note, actual amount needed depends on machine conditions. Set machine shut size between 50% and maximum allowable setting. Purge until the compound flushed out of the machine is clean and free of contamination. Thoroughly clean machine nozzle and sprue bushing to remove any contamination. Caution: wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. Step 2. Procedure for hot runner system. Move machine carriage forward to make contact with mold sprue bushing. Set shot to recommended part size and purge with the mold open. Continue to use Dyan-purge until the purge is clean and free of contamination. Thoroughly clean the hopper and adjust temperature settings for your next production resin. Using your next production resin, flush out the remaining Dyan-purge. Check gates in mold for any blockage or drool and start production run. If you have other operators responsible for purging, we encourage you to let them know about our training video as well. We also invite you to take advantage of additional training resources located in the Performance Tips section of our site. To ensure excellent purging results, always remember to establish comprehensive purging procedures, properly train personnel, monitor the results for consistency, and contact your Dyan-purge representative when in need of additional technical assistance. Thank you again for your trust.
Okay, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed those 2 little videos inside this video. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to tell you, so I wanted to tell you the steps that we do here, like most companies are supposed to do. So you want to shut the feed throat off, the inlet material going into the feed throat. Make sure it runs completely empty. Then you want to add your cleaning solution, whatever you're using, and then feed your new material on top of that on your barrel. We use what we call ID additives. So on the ID additives, what you got is you have these little packets like this. And I'm not trying to advertise for them or anything, but I'm just telling you what we use here at this company. We run tons of polypropylene. We offer 170 different colors. So we do housing products like vinyl siding, we do gable vents, shutters, everything like that. So we have to offer all the things. So these are 3-ounce bags of ID additive quick shots, what this is called, okay? So what you do is you can have one of these is 3 ounces, like I said. So we have like a 6-inch diameter barrel. We'd use 2 packs of these. So what we do is we run the material completely empty on our press. Then we drop 2 of these or 3 of these, depending on how big the barrel is. The whole pack and all. You just drop it straight down into the barrel. You pick up a shot. You don't change your back pressure, your heats, or nothing. You leave everything right where it is. You drop these down in there. You add your virgin material on top of this. You run so many shots of this through there. Then you add your color on top of this. Okay? You can actually run this through your hot runner system. It does not hurt your hot runner systems. So Inco, Saventive, all that, it runs through all those hot runner systems with no problems whatsoever. So if you wanted to, you can actually run your barrel completely empty, add these in there, and then start making parts out of this to clean your hot runner system out as well. So again, this is ID additives, and it's called Quick Shot is what the name of that is. So we use it here. We go from black to white. It's helped out tremendously on the color changes and stuff as far as that. The other colors we don't really have a lot of issues out of those other colors. So I just wanted to go over that with you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, peace.